Welcome to Mishna Salem Sukkah Perek Dal Mishnah Gimal. Over here now we'll move to the next mitzvah of Araba. Araba is it 6 or 7 days, right? Not really is 6 or 7 days. It is 6 days or 7 days, depending on when Shabbat falls out on the holiday. Araba Shiva Ketzad. How is the mitzvah of Araba performed all 7 days? So firstly, we have to mention the mitzvah of Araba. What is it? We'll see later on in a couple of Mishnah what it is. But they would actually take Aravot, these massive Aravot that are 11 amot long. That's over around 16 and a half feet. On Arava, and they would surround the Mizbeach, right? This is Halachal Moshe Sinai that was given, right? Minhag Halachal Moshe Sinai, and it's Minhag Nevi'im that they would say without a beracha, right? There was no beracha on this mitzvah. Now, this was done and performed by who? It was performed by the people in the Mikdash, right? This mitzvah is really, given over to the Shluchai Bedin, right, to perform this mitzvah. And it's midoraita, right? We said halacha Moshe Sinai, so that is deoraita. Now, Araba Shiva Ketzad, how does Araba, pull out all 7 days? So, I'll just preempt, if the first day of Yom Tov fell out on Shabbat, we're not going to take Araba, right? Shabbat is going to be dochaya. Why? Because if we allow it to be taken on Shabbat, and that Shabbat on Yom Tov Rishon, people aren't going to recognize that it's its own mitzvah. They're going to say, oh, it's coming because of the mitzvah of Lulav. That's why we're taking it, right? So that's why we don't allow it to override Shabbat on the first Yom Tov. We'll see the override is going to be on the 7th day. And why in the 7th day? Because we want it to have its own hashivut. We wanted everyone to know, right? To publicize that it's from the Torah, this mitzvah, and therefore, it pushes off. It does override Shabbat, and we give it its own day, not the first day, but rather the 7th day. So has its his own day, and that's why we do the the chibut, the Araba, right? The chibut Hamid v'la barich, right, on Hoshana Araba, right, in remembrance of this halachal Moshe Sinai mitzvah deoraita that they would perform in the Beit Hamikdash. So Araba Shiva Ketzad. How do we perform Araba on all 7 days? Yom HaShevi'i Shel Arava Shechal Yot b'Shabbat. The 7th day, right, of Sukkot, right, when you're doing the mitzvah, the Arava falls out on Shabbat, Arava Shiva, that's when you perform the Arava all 7 days. So the 7th day of Sukkot would override the Shabbat. Ush'ar kol yamim shisha, right, but if it falls out any other day, right, any other day of the holiday, then it does not push off Shabbat. As we mentioned, right? So the same way Lulav doesn't push off Shabbat. So to over here, Arava also does not push off Shabbat in the middle, right, of the holiday.